According to the news agency Khabarovsk Krai today, a production line has been established at the Yakovlev Center, the Gagarin Aviation Plant, in Komsomolsk-on-Amur to manufacture doors for the import-substituted SSJ-100 passenger aircraft. The Russian-made doors will replace a comparable component from the American company BE Aerospace. The company's engineers and technologists rapidly devised blueprints and processes, and they initiated production to set up the first door manufacturing line for the Superjet 100 in Russia. The doors manufactured on the new line are compliant with the most recent aviation safety regulations. In 2023, Yevgeny Romanov, the Minister of Industry and Trade of Primorsky Krai, said the production facility of Yakovlev in Komsomolsk-on-Amur would commence the production of doors for civil aircraft by 2026. He disclosed this information during the Eastern Economic Forum in Vladivostok. The funding will exceed 2 billion rubles. Door units for the MS-21 aircraft are currently being manufactured at UAC's Doors and Hatches Specialization Center in Komsomolsk-on-Amur. Production of the IL-114 and Tu-214 projects is also anticipated in the future. Previously, the Gagarin Aviation Plant used to assemble luggage doors. The Sukhoi Superjet 100, SSJ-100, has a variety of doors installed to accommodate its diverse requirements. Two main entrances on the left side of the fuselage provide primary passenger access. The plug-type doors ensure a secure seal during flight by opening outward and slightly upward. For operational and safety purposes, the aircraft features additional emergency exits and service doors. Two overwing emergency exits, one on each side of the fuselage, facilitate swift evacuation in the event of an emergency. The aircraft's rear features two service ports that double as emergency exits, ensuring a multitude of escape routes during an emergency. The cargo compartment entrances on the right side of the aircraft are crucial for the efficient loading and unloading of cargo and baggage, which is essential for ground operations. Safety is the top priority in the design of the SSJ-100's doors. Each passenger and emergency exit features inflatable emergency slides that automatically deploy when the doors open in emergency mode. In the event of an emergency, the door mechanisms operate swiftly. Additionally, all designs adhere to rigorous international aviation safety standards. The door configuration of the SSJ-100 may differ slightly among various aircraft variants in order to meet the operational demands or requirements of a particular airline. The careful arrangement of the SSJ-100's doors reflects the meticulous balance between safety, passenger comfort, and operational efficiency, a hallmark of contemporary aircraft design. Previously, BE Aerospace also produced the oxygen system and interior for the SJ-100 aircraft. The interior has already been replaced with a Russian-made version by the Kazan-based company Aviation Interiors. At present, Yakovlev is carrying out testing on a partially import-substituted SJ-100, with a wholly import-substituted version anticipated to be operational by 2025. Russian airlines are anticipated to receive SJ-100s in serial production by 2026. Yakovlev had already started the replacement of the imported system on the SSJ-100 in 2019. In 2023, the first aircraft flew, in which 40 systems and units were replaced. Of the domestic ones, it has avionics, chassis, auxiliary power unit, integrated management system, power supply systems, air conditioning, etc. The Sukhoi Superjet Nu, which will be powered by a Russian engine, has been allocated 120 to 130 billion rubles for development. The domestic PD-8 engine will be the focus of approximately half of the budget slated for development. Nevertheless, the PD-8 failed to verify the specified attributes during the testing process. As a result, the delivery schedules of the import-substituting Superjet were rescheduled from 2024 to 2025-2026. Now, do the Russian-made doors during the Soviet Union differ from the type of doors manufactured today? Let us know in the comments. Please like and share the videos and subscribe to the channel. Please also take our memberships to encourage us.